Good morning, students. I am Dr. Choppara Balakotaya, Department of Economics, Andhra University. Today, I am discussing about 2 marks questions in Managerial Economics, unit-wise according to second unit. It is very much useful for Andhra University engineering students of all branches. This is also useful for competitive exams. Unit 2, Demand and Utility Analysis of Demand. There are 3 kinds of demand. Number 1, price demand. Number 2, income demand. Number 3, cross demand. Number 1, price demand. The relation between price and quantity demand of a commodity. This relationship between the price and demand inverse or negative. dx is equal to function of px, where dx stands for demand for commodity x. F denotes functional relationship. Px denotes price of x. Next, number 2, income demand. Number 2, income demand. Income demand explains the relationship between consumers' income and various quantities of goods and services demanded. At various levels of income, assuming other factors remain the same, dx is equal to function of f of y, where dx stands for demand for good x. Y denotes income of a consumer. F denotes functional relationship. Number 3, cross demand. The change in the demand for a commodity due to a change in the price of its related commodity is known as cross demand. The related commodities are 2 types, that is substitutes and complementaries. dx is equal to function of py, where dx stands for demand for commodity x. Py denotes price of y commodity. F denotes functional relationship. Determinants of demand. Determinants of demand. Important factors of demand. A, price of the commodity. B, income of the consumer. C, tastes, preferences and habits. D, prices of substitutes and complementaries. E, population. Cardinal utility. Utility is numerically measurable, that is in terms of numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are cardinal numbers. If a consumer consumes a commodity, he or she can say that the utility derived can be expressed numerically. This approach was followed by Alfred Marshall. Ordinal utility. Utility cannot be measured numerically, but it is possible to compare the utilities derived by a consumer by consuming different combinations of commodities. The numbers first, second, third, fourth, etc. are ordinal numbers or ranking numbers. This approach was associated with the name of J.R. Hicks and R.J.D. Allen. Marginal utility. It is the additional satisfaction or amount of utility gained from the consumption of extra unit of the commodity. Marginal utility is the additional or incremental satisfaction or utility a consumer receives from acquiring one additional unit of product. Okay, thank you.